Hello everyone. My name is Eyal Kaufman. I'm the CEO of QualityLine, and we are going to present to you a series of video clips, tutorial video clips, in order to provide you valuable and practical information about how to optimize your manufacturing efficiency and product quality. This also another thing for those of you that use contract manufacturers and outsource their production. Another very important point here is to be able to monitor the quality of the products or the modules that are being delivered to you from your contract manufacturers to the final assembly or directly to your customers. So the key point here is to help you see what you cannot see today. Okay, I know that all of you have, if you collect data, testing data, repair data, and so on, you already have the ability to see units that are not working well somehow, products that are failed in production. You have products returned from your customers. You see some of your machines are in downtime status, and so on and so forth. So this high level type of information is relatively easy to see. However, as you know very well, it's far from being sufficient. Why? Because this high level of data of information does not provide us with the ability for full transparency of our manufacturing product. It does not provide us with the ability to see exactly what's going on to the extreme detail, and because of that, because of this lack of detailed information, our manufacturing process worldwide is affected with low yield and low quality, and with a reputation of delivering faulty products to the market. So this issue of what can we see better, this is one of the main topics that we are going to focus on this series, and I will share with you effective tools how we can get this detailed information in order to control your process. How much of this data is really available for you to get a deep understanding and a full transparency of your manufacturing process. So based on our research, we know that data is not available. Cost companies are using maybe 5% of the data. And why is that? Because the data is not available. Is not available in a meaningful way. And why the data is not available in a meaningful way? It's not available because it's saved in so many different data structures and protocols. It's not unified and harmonized. And therefore, our ability to use smart algorithms to analyze the data in order to create end-to-end control is something which is very, very difficult to achieve. So one of the key challenges that we are going to share with you during this series of video clips is we are going to share with you how we can make our data available, how we can use our data in a smart way in order to create this end-to-end control. So eventually, once we finish making the data available for us, we would like to have a full transparency over our manufacturing process. And full transparency means that we would like to see everything from end to end, all the factories, okay, that are involved in our manufacturing process, in every location, all the processes, all the products. We want to be able to see the key performance indicators automatically analyzed for us, so we know exactly where do we stand. We want the ability to use smart tools, smart algorithms, not like anomaly detection and machine learning, to reflect the data from us. So the goal of our need is to be able to see what is wrong, why it's wrong, so root cause analysis, and also to predict what can go wrong. So in this series that we are going to share with you, we are going to show you very effective tools how we can address these needs, full transparency of what is going on in our manufacturing process in every location, why it is wrong, so detailed and automated root cause analysis using smart technology like artificial intelligence, and also prediction of what can go wrong. So I welcome you all to join the series. We are going to release new video clip every week, and you're welcome to review it, to share with your colleagues, and I hope that these tools will help you to optimize your manufacturing efficiency and product quality. Thank you very much.